Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy here, Logan with Y.B.Normal. That's right, Y.B.Normal when you can be extraordinary. Listen, man, we in Nashville, Tennessee at Jere Baxter Middle School. That's your boy to come in, add value, and impact lives to be the 8th grade commencement speaker. So listen, man, check this video coming out next. Y.B.Normal when you can be extraordinary. Peace. I am and where I come from, right? Like I want you to understand and know that it's not about the destination, it's about the journey in life.
You really can't put a value tag on the support that Y.B.Normal provided for our scholars. In that, we noticed that our returns were a result of the investments that Y.B.Normal invested in our scholars each and every day when it came to increasing their literacy scores, attendance, improving their behavior, and most importantly, giving them a self-image of their greatness.
Right, like I'm telling you from my own life. Right, like you're looking at a kid that made 3 attempts to commit suicide before I was 18. Right, like you're looking at a kid that my 8th grade teacher, when I was in y'all's position, she told me I'd be dead or in jail. Right, like you looking at a kid that was on alcohol and drug abuse and addiction and different things like that, right? Like you looking at a kid that was on welfare. But I'm not telling you because I want you to feel sorry for me. I'm telling you because I want you to know what's possible.
Always hearing his story and the passion that he speaks with and that message of like no matter what and where you come from, you can do great things. And I think that just resonates with our kids, and I love just seeing their faces when they hear him like share that part of his journey.
He spoke about overcoming different obstacles that you have in life and just believing in yourself that you can get through those obstacles and still achieve anything that you're wanting to achieve.
Parents, I want to say thank you because I know that it's been hard this year, right? Being able to, some of y'all got to work 2 or 3 jobs to make ends meet, right? You got kids that they don't appreciate what you do, right? Like they not understanding the sacrifices that you make. Like I want to say thank you.
Y.B.Normal is an essential to any school, public, charter, and or private.
Let's say thank you to our educators at this school. Come on, let's make some noise for them. Because if we're going to keep it a buck, let's be real quick. They don't get paid enough for what they done been through this year. And the sacrifices that they made and the love and the seeds that they've sown, it's got them to this destination. So it's a community right now, and I want to say thank you to everybody because y'all got these babies to go to the 9th grade in a position to set them up for success. Thank you for the sacrifices you have made, for the love you have given. I don't take it for granted. I love you, I appreciate you, and I honor you. Thank you for today. Let's give it up for them.